Hello friends, I am Pijal Agrawal and today in this video I am going to tell you how you can create this simple 3D model with the help of Solidworks. So let's start. So friends, this is the drawing with the help of which we are going to create our solid model, and I have given you the link of this drawing in the description box. So from there also you can download this drawing, and otherwise you can take the screenshot also. But in this link you will get other drawings also. So let's start. First of all friends, we need to create a new file. For this, we will click on File here, and here we select New, and friends, here we have to select Part Modeling because here we are doing part modeling. So friends, now we create a sketch of this geometry first. So for this, first we will select a sketch and then a plane. So here I am selecting front plane. So let's start creating our sketch. For this, first click on line, then draw a straight line here. Friends, now we need an arc. For this, go back to this point and see a arc has created. Plus again we need a arc, so go back and see a arc has come. Now friends, draw a straight line like this and then like this. Right click, select. So friends, now we will start giving dimensions. So first friends, we will give this angle which is 15 degree. So friends, for this I will create two center lines. Double click. Now create a straight line also. Now right click, select. So friends, first of all we will give a relation between this line and this line. Both these lines are at a right angle. And friends, delete this relation. And friends, this line is passing through the midpoint of this line. So select this line and this midpoint and establish a relation coincide. And this point also coincide. See friends. Now friends, we will give a angle which is 15 degree. See friends. Now friends, we will start giving other dimensions. Like see here is this radius is 100, this radius is 25, and distance between this point, center of this circle, this point, and between this point is 85, and here 45 and 48. So friends, let's start giving dimensions. So radius of this circle is 100. It is 100 and now it is 25. Now friends, there is relation between this line and this line also, which is both these lines are at an angle of 90 degree. See, and this point, both these point lie in the one line. So give relation vertical. See, now it's fine. So let's start giving dimensions again. So this length is 45. and this length is 25. That has been defined by itself. Friends, we need to create a circle also at this point. And radius of the circle is 12.5. See friends, circle. And friends, center of this circle and this point, center of this arc lie in the same line. Both lie in the same line. See friends, now our sketch look like this. So friends, now we will give other dimensions like distance between this point, this line, and this point is 48. So it is 48. See friends, now our sketch has become fully defined. All the edges have turned black now. Friends, here we need to create a straight slot also. So for this, click here and then create a slot here. See, let's give dimension to this slot. So friends, distance between this line and this line is 27. And distance between these 2 points is 40. Okay friends, now our slot has also become fully defined. So friends, now we will extrude this sketch. So for this we need to go in the features and then after that we will click on the extrude box base command. Here friends, length of this extrude is 40. So here we will write 40. And friends, here we want to select mid plane. So friends, see, it goes equal on both the side. 20 this side and 20 in the opposite side. Friends, now we need to create a cut extrude. See, this cut extrude. For this, we will create a sketch on the front plane. So from here, select front plane and sketch. So friends, here first of all click on convert entities. Click this arc and this line. Convert. See friends. And now friends, we need to create a line, straight line. So friends, distance between this line and this center is visible. So we can give dimension 65 because distance between this point and this point is 40. See friends, our line has turned black now. And friends, we trim the other portions like this area and this. So for this friends, click on trim entities and then select power trim. Trim and this also trim. Click on right. Now friends, click on cut extrude and its length is 16. And here select mid plane and select right. Now friends, we will create a box extrude here. See friends, this box extrude. So friends, here length of this box extrude is 35, outer radius is 20 and the radius of this circle is 516. So let's create this. For this friends, we again select front plane. Create a sketch. So click on line and then arc. For this, go back to this point and then a straight line, and then connect to this line again. Select. So friends, now we will give dimensions. So friends, see, dimension of this land is 35. Radius of this arc is 20. Now we will create a circle of 16.5. We give dimensions and it is 16. Right. Now friends, give listen parallel. See friends, now our sketch has become fully defined. You see? So friends, now we will extrude this sketch by going to the feature and here select extrude box base. Here friends, we will select mid plane and length of this extrude is 16. See friends. So friends, now our geometry has been created. See. Now we will specify some material. So for this, go in the appearances. Here select metal and then bronze. And here I am giving material manganese bronze. See friends. So friends, I really hope that you have understood it well how to create this model in the SolidWorks. So friends, if you have understood it, so please like it and share it. And if you want to learn more, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.